Hello, what's up everyone? I'm back again with another video tutorial. So today in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cancel Office 365 subscription. So if you're using Microsoft's Office 365, how can you cancel a subscription? So first of all, what you need to do is you need to go to your preferred browser, right? Go to your preferred browser, and the first thing that you need to do is you need to go to accounts.microsoft.com and log in here. Once you log in, this will be basically your dashboard, right? After that, what you need to do is you need to go to services and subscription. So after you go to services and subscription, so once you log in into your Microsoft account, this will basically be your dashboard, right? So now once you're here, what you need to do is you need to go to services and subscriptions. Click on services and subscriptions, and this window will open up basically. Now here, as it says, try Microsoft 360 for free. Now 365 for free. Now here you will have the subscription here. I haven't subscribed to it. It's showing me to subscribe to it. Now if you have subscribed to it, you'll get the option here. Now from here, what you need to do is you need to simply click on manage subscription and cancel your Office 365 subscription from here. So that's how you do it. But if you have basically bought that one for like within 15 days, if you are trying to cancel a subscription, or within a month, you can also get the refund on your Office 365. So this is how you can basically cancel your Office 365 subscription on your Microsoft account. So I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, please drop a like, comment if you have any question, and yeah, subscribe for more videos like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.